Now we'll discuss 7 stages, and I think when we will discuss 7 stages, the chapter, the poem is covered. Okay, so let's discuss the 7 stages now from the first stage. Let me ask you about the first stage. So first stage, wait, we'll start from Tushar. First stage, quick, just brief, brief answer. First stage is okay, kid. Then qualities. What does a kid do? Cry. Then, then cry. Then what? Puke. Right. Totally dependent. Right. Dependent. Dependent. Everyone takes care. Unaware of the surroundings. You can write in this also. Yes, who vomits and cries in nurse arm. Correct. Vomit. Then is second stage. Second stage is of, I'll ask. Somil is of, yes, space. Yes, he's second is schoolboy who is unwilling to go to school. That is why walks at a snail's pace, means very slow speed, right? And then as they have a question that is he not happy? Otherwise, the child is happy, but the thought of going to school makes him sad. Otherwise, the child is unhappy without any tension, everything perfect. But the thought of going to the school makes him unhappy, right? Next is third stage. Third stage, Sadhika. Sighing furnace. Yes. Sighs like, it's furnace, and then writes, valid. Wait a second. Writes ballads, yes, a kind of poem which has a story and misses his mistress, right? And right, what? Yes, in his own world, right? In his own world, own thoughts. Furnace. Um, you, yes. Okay. Next is fourth stage. Fourth stage, Shireen. Soldier. Fourth stage is of a soldier. Soldier means soldier is what? Okay. Anything else? Quick in picking up the quarrel, right? Ready to fight. Yes, for his bubble reputation. Ready to pick a fight for his bubble reputation. Jealous in honor, pride in honor, okay? And then pride and honor, same thing. Then warm blooded, what? Restless, and the beard is like leopard. This shows his anger. Angry like a leopard. Ever ready to pick a fight just for his bubble reputation or momentary fame. Got it? And even ready to sacrifice his life for that. Takes strange oaths. State, yes, full of strange oaths. Yes, never doesn't care about his life or death. Next stage, that is the fifth stage. What? That is mouth of death. Otherwise, that is crystals and all. Fifth stage, angel. Not well maintained. Actually, the man has a belly now. Yes. Yes, capable of making decisions and capable of distinguishing between right or wrong, shares his experiences, right? What? Yes, beard. Now the change is in beard, that is formal, and serious eyes. Eyes are also serious. Wise thoughts, right? Wise thoughts, wise men, wise thoughts. Next is six. Yes, round belly. For this round belly also. Next, what? Next is, write it down, pantaloon age. When they wear comfortable clothes, right? And then their body becomes thin, child voice. That is once the voice that was manly changes to childlike voice and then starts forgetting things, right? Yes, you can say pantaloon stage or pre-old stage. You can like write like this. So in this stage, they prefer to wear comfortable clothes, starts forgetting the things, and then child manly voice changes to childlike and any other thing. The youthful clothes that the person has saved are of no use for that person because the side starts forgetting things. Now the last stage, yes, rhythm correct. Anshika, correct, memory loss also. That is the old age, or you can say second childhood. Why second childhood? Because yes, just like an infant without teeth, without taste, hearing power, right? And then not aware of his surroundings, right? And this is the saddest stage also, right? This is the second saddest stage, and the happiest you can say of is of a schoolboy or infant because doesn't know anything. Everybody takes care, right? Not bhole bacche. So is it okay? But the saddest stage is for sure. This is the saddest stage. Done. And if I talk about exit and entrance, exit means when, yes, after this stage, we make our exit. And entrance when we take birth. So the world has been compared to the stage and in which, yes, we come and play our roles, different roles, and then we make our exit. Got it? Clear? Yes. What? What? Who will explain? Angel. Wait. Wait a second. Okay, then let's discuss the back exercise of one chapter. Why I am yes, I am discussing this because 7th A and B they asked me to discuss. So I thought, yes, you might also need the discussion. Page number, no need to open the books. Close your books. So first is you have to fill in the blanks with the phrasal verbs, right? Phrasal verbs, combination of a verb, preposition, adverb like this. Get up. This is a phrasal verb. Okay? Okay. Dash when speaking in the class. Options will be given. Stand in, stand up. See, this is simple. Dash when speaking in the class. You already know. What should you do? Stand up. Right? Stand up. Next is stop cribbing and dash your job. Means when we are not ready to do something and we start cribbing means we start complaining. Okay, oh, why I have to do this? No, I'm not going to do this. Every word, everything is on me only. This is this is how we crib. Start cribbing. So it means that stop cribbing and dash your job. Words get on with, get over. Get on with, continue, right? So get over when we get over someone, something. Okay, forget like this. Get on with means continue your job. Stop cribbing. You have to do your work, right? Like you crib, so much syllabus is there, and then this and that, lengthy paper. So I can say stop cribbing and get on with your paper, right? Then is this is also simple. Dash your shoes before you enter the house. Take off or take out. Take off your shoes. Remove your shoes before you enter. We might have to dash our vacation by 15 days. Now listen. One is put out, other is put off. Put out means extinguish, bujhana. And then is put off. Put off means postpone. Put off, right? His father taught him not to dash people with less money. One is look up to, other is look down upon. Look down upon means to give less importance to other, means to that the person is not important. So look down upon. I look up to you how you perform. Means मैं आपकी तरफ देखती हूँ. I take inspiration like this. Okay? Then is can I dash for a cup of coffee for this drop in, drop off? The answer is drop in. When you visit someone informally. Last, is it important to dash on time? Show off or show up. Show off means when you show off. I have this and I have that. And show up means when you arrive. Show off, show up. Got it? I said close your books. Got it? Yes. Clear? Any other exercise that you want to discuss? Word meaning. For third, take off. Word meanings? Sure? Yes. Okay then, one by one. Embodiment, embodiment, example or symbol. You can write example or symbol. Close your books. Close your books. Just listen carefully. Embodiment, example or symbol. Otherwise, the meaning that is given in the book is a person or thing that represents an idea or a quality. So, obviously, embodiment is an example because it represents some quality or that is why we give example. Local. Okay. Next is aboriginal. Relating to the people of, you can write local. Again, local. Aboriginal, local. We'll come to that. We'll come to that also. Aboriginal means original, local. Right? Got it? Aboriginal, local. Yes. Okay, next is matrilineal. Matrilineal, that is simple. Relation between mother and her children, right? Relation between mother and her children. Just wait. Second is get on with. Get on with. Next is her. Mumtaz, what happened? Fine? Okay. Let me ask you the simplest one. Nondescript. Nondescript. Having no special qualities or special that you are not able to describe means non. Non means having no special quality or okay, sanatorium. Sanatorium. There are sanatoriums in this Jalandhar. Yes, sanatorium. Hospital. Sanatorium. Hospital. Composite. Composite. Wait. Sadhika. Made of different parts. Composite. Made of different parts. Indigenous. Local. Indigenous. Local. Okay. Next is ensemble. Ensemble. Yes, small group of musicians who perform together. Ensemble, connected with assemble. Assemble together. So, ensemble means small group of musicians who perform together. Resonate. Resonate. Yes, Angel. Has an impact or influence. Has an impact or influence. If you are writing has an impact, still it is okay. Okay, next is ubiquitous. Ubiquitous. Okay, Vedanti. Very common. Ubiquitous. See, you can connect this ubiquitous. Very uncommon word, right? So you can say opposite of this. Very common. Ubiquitous. The word is different, but the meaning is very common. Okay, ubiquitous. Word is different, but the meaning is very common. Yes. No. Okay, next is pricked. 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 That's it. Parisha. Point upwards. Pricked from P, point upwards. Okay. Pricked like dogs do. Like dogs do when they are attentive, when they hear something, the way they just get up and their ears, right, pointed upwards. Cantered. 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 Ran fairly fast. Cantered, ran fairly fast. Galloping. Galloping. Somil. Again, running at full speed. Cantered, ran fairly fast. Galloping, just like horse. Running at full speed. Got it? Clear? Okay, next is colts. Colts. Young male horses. Black Beauty, when this incident happened, that time Black Beauty was a colt. Young male horse. Next is squire. Squire. Same hands again. Okay, Guntas. Landowner in a rural area. You can connect this square, piece of land is square, and the person is landowner. Okay, got it? Then is farrier. Yes, a person who makes shoes. Next, yes, I have seen. Next is sans. S-A-N-S. S-A-N-S. Without. Sans, without. Sans, without. Next is treble. T-R-E-B-L-E. Treble. An angel. A child's high voice or high child voice. Okay. Treble, a child's high voice. Treble, child's high. Okay. Then is pantaloon. Pantaloon. Pant. Somil. Tight trousers fastened at the foot. Right? Pantaloons. Tight trousers fastened at the foot. At the foot. Next is oblivion. Oblivion. Yes, Manisha. Yes, in a state unaware of what is happening around him or her. Oblivion. In a state unaware of what is happening around him, not unconscious, but unaware of what is happening around. Then is capon. Capon. Yes, Shireen. A male chicken. Capon, a male chicken. Mewling. Mewling. Making weak sound. Mule. M. Making. W. Weak. Crying sound. Making a weak crying sound. Ballad. 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 Sadhika. A poem or a song that has a story. And then satchel. Satchel. Yes, Anshika? Satchel. Yes, Somil. That is hung over one's shoulder. I don't have the long strap. I have removed that strap. Otherwise, I would have shown you. Okay. So, Jayant, Anshika, almost same. These are almost same. Exercise A2, first question. A2, first question. What has been called the Scotland of the East? Shillong. What has been called the Scotland of the East? That is Shillong. Why is the Scotland of the East called the rock capital of India? Because of its taste in rock music. Because of its taste in rock music. And the countries that are mentioned here in the mentioned by the writer, that is, one is Kolkata and other is Chennai. Okay, Jayant? Jayant 7th D. Is it okay? Rhythm, different words for one single word. Different words. Okay, one more word I forgot. Picture is cue. Picture is cue. Picture. Now the answer is pretty. Okay, picture you can connect now. Picture and then pretty. Right? Picture is cue, pretty. Yes, Rhythm, both means. And pretty, Pretty. Okay? Yes. What? Aboriginal or local? Embodiment, example. Local. 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 Yes, if you are comfortable with one word, then you can write this. And if you are okay with the meaning that is given in the book, I don't have any objection. You can write any. Got it? Sure? Okay then. So I think we should start writing the... So all the best. And those who are online, you have to submit your PDFs only. Got it? I'm not going to check the images.